Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia. And it's just after 5 a.m. in the morning on a Thursday. And we're charging through this week relatively quickly. Right, let me just share this. So please note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only, and that's because we're a group of people who help each other and we are not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. We're just here as some, some input, really. There is a full risk disclosure and a bit about us live session traders. Okay, let's go over to the charts. Go look at the FOREX pairs. There we go. Okay. So that's AUD CAD. And it keeps sailing along. There's a lot of this up and down, and then it just basically broke out and off it went. So I didn't get to see it till about here. Sorry, there. So it's pushed up. I'm just waiting for this now to pull back down again. Oh, welcome, Darren.
Oh,
How are you?
okay, Ryan, yourself?
You get that greenhouse happening yet, or?
No, no, that's a job for next year, that. Not,
Oh, yeah, that's right. Because yeah, you're going into you're in autumn, aren't you? And then
yeah.
yeah. All right, no worries. Um, yeah, quite a few EAs. Okay. Is it so you haven't taken any manual trades for a long time now? You're just letting it do
Correct.
its thing. Okay,
Yeah, that's right.
fair enough. All right. Well, AUD CAD, I'm just waiting for a gold indicator. I'll lift it and get into that sell. It's just pushed up so hard.
Just keeps going. AUD can't, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
Oh, a few of the AUDs.
Yeah.
Anyway, uh, that one then, I'm just waiting for whenever. AUD CHF. I was going to get in that for the sell, but it's certainly pushing up as well. Um, it will also have a pullback. We'll see where it is. Potentially, it'll be this interest rate news on I think the euro today, or anyway, we'll work that out. And then the US news, they're talking about interest rate stuff coming up. Okay. ADJPY. Oh, that did a little pullback and pushed up again. This one's a bit weird. It's as in like the green line's over here somewhere, the forecast line. But yeah, no, it keeps pushing up as well. It looks like it's all going to have a bit of a pullback before it goes. So I'm looking to get into these cells that come in. AUD NZD did a little pullback. Looks like that's pushing back up again though. How's that EA with AUD NZD? Which
Still,
one's that one?
still deep in drop. That was Dark Titan.
Oh yeah, Dark Titan. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's just a bit unfortunate that happened so early when I'd
That
trade.
is it's always what happens, isn't it? You go into something like for an EA and then all of a sudden it
Yeah,
does
it's
that.
really pushed up again as it's now 22% in drawdown now.
Wow,
Just
wow,
keeps
wow,
going
wow.
and going. It's
Yeah,
not it's not aggressive martingale. I mean, it's not doubling lot sizes, but the lot sizes are going up gradually. It's just kept going for so long.
hmm.
Really.
So it's a grid martingale, but it's not as aggressive as
No,
others. Okay.
no.
These little pullbacks aren't enough.
I mean, the account's 4.5% up, but 22% in drawdown.
Jordan, yeah, yeah.
It's only
So
a small
what?
account, that one, by the way. So,
That's not such a big deal then.
I mean, it's all relevant. I mean,
Yeah. Where's it going to pull back to
well, I don't
knock
know
that
because it
back out?
hides
Right.
the
It,
dark EAs hide the TPs from the brokers. That's the
okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, you'll only know when it happens. Has it got a fallback? Like a maximum?
That's a
Um,
good point. I was just thinking that as we were sat here. I need to have a look at that actually. I just sort of threw it on this account, small account, just to get to. It was
good
more I was
idea.
getting the thing before the price went up, and thought I might as well use it, stick it on a small account for now.
Yeah.
Just try it on AUD NZD. But I've also so I've got a number of licenses. I've got NZD CAD and AUD CAD running on two other small accounts with other brokers
Oh,
accounts that I've I don't really use, would have they're not IC markets, they're just a couple of other accounts that I've had been messing around with. So I've put it on those as well. So I've got it running, got Dark Tide running on three accounts, three different
yeah.
FOREX pairs. It trades AUD,
Oh,
NZD,
wow.
NZD CAD, and AUD CAD. So the others are okay. It's just this AUD NZD
Mm,
that's got a problem.
mm. Oh, welcome, Tom.
Hey guys.
Uh,
Wow. Well, yeah. It doesn't look like it's going to pull back to a very, I mean, if it does anyway, seems to be charging off at the moment compared to when it was dropping off here. This is back in February and it dropped right down here.
it's
And
reached
then April.
it's just a sort of key level now, though, isn't it? When you look back, I don't
Yeah,
know.
you look at it. Yeah, yeah, back here. Bang, bang, bang.
Back
So it's
in Feb 25 and then sort of November 24,
in July.
July 24.
Yeah, well, it's either going to break it
Yeah, that's right.
or bounce off it.
Yeah,
So it's in a whole lot of sell trades then. Okay.
yeah.
Oh, well, we'll see. Oh yeah, so in the settings it doesn't have a maximum drawdown that you know of.
I need to check that. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. All
I've
right.
forgotten. Nice.
Yeah. Well, you got so many of them. I mean, how can you
This is
be
it, yeah.
across? I think you need a spreadsheet, I think, Darren.
Yeah. I mean, look at this pair. You go sort of really zoom out, go all the way back to sort of 2016. It doesn't go very far one way or the other, does it? It's sort
No.
of generally sort of ranged between about, I don't know, $1, 1.13 and around about one to one. So it's only sort of 13, something like a 13% sort of range, isn't it?
Mhm.
It's not
But
like,
yeah, but it is also weird.
yeah.
Anyway, all right. AD Singapore is pushing off as well. I'm waiting for that to do a pullback as well. I mean, it's up key. It could push further, but we'll see. AUD USD, that also is pushing up too. Let's see, where is it the interest rate? That's inflation. It's when they're doing, I thought there was an interest rate call this week. No? That's just inflation. Oh, man, it's bumping up too. Oh, the orange monkey won't like that, will he? Oh, well, no, he will like it. part of his devastation method. All right. Well, that AUD's taken off anyway. Right. CAD CHF. So I'm in Thursday, you guys are on Wednesday. So there's still a bit of movement to occur before
Yeah.
we get some changeover. CAD CHF, not really. There's nothing, I'm not looking at anything there to happen to. CAD J. Yeah. All right. CHF JPY. You were in that, I think, Tom. Ooh, we're waiting for this.
I'm waiting to get into
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That's right. Yeah. Mm. Get ready for the turn. Somewhere in that box, eh? 50% of when it comes down to this line.
Right.
Six one nice and then bang, bounce off. Okay.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
waiting for as well.
Yeah. I don't care how far it comes back down. I'm looking for that buy out.
Yeah. I think you said you already had a limit order in place, a buy limit or something.
Well, I have my trade set up. I'll put the limit on when it gets close.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Right.
not just going to let it just sit there.
Yeah. That date. It is Wednesday. Okay. Well, it's just sort of meandering along. There's something much over here you can see. Back, and then ready to bounce out again. Might just come back to that trend line.
It
Same
just
here.
barely took that liquidity across those tops.
Yeah, I know. Just doing its thing in it. Oh yeah. Euro AUD was another one that we were looking at for that the takeoff. Oh God, look
Still
at
in that
that.
short.
Yeah, you lucky bugger. Potentially when those other AUDs like the AUD CAD turn, this might turn as well. It's come out of the box.
Yeah.
So the green line over on the right on the 2 hour may change
Mm-hmm.
to the daily. All right then, well, I think there could be a flip when, ACAD and a few of the others flip, then this may as well. Okay, Euro CAD. That was one I didn't get into, but I really wanted to. But it's now come to the stage with the W. So over on the daily, you can see it's gonna. I'm looking for sells out of it. So I'm willing to wait for all of this rubbish and
You
all of
may
this
not
stuff.
even get it.
Oh no, you may not. That's right. May not, but that's okay.
I'm simply looking for a gold bar here to get into the short
Yeah, okay. Oh, okay.
because Mike says it's selling already.
On the 2 hour, you don't have that W there?
No, don't
Oh,
forget
okay.
we're on different feeds.
We're in different worlds. Yeah.
Well, you're on something and I'm on the Wanda, so it's two
Yeah, yeah.
different feeds. So we're gonna get
Oh,
two different readings. That's why I'm saying don't trust those green lines.
I
All it's
don't
doing is
trust them.
helping you visualize.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Okay. What I might do then is I'll just see where that sits. USCHF. Mm. Ah, this is the one you were talking about where, yeah, come down to 88 and then back out, potentially. Okay, just leave that sit there. Euro GBP. So how do you interpret that, Tom? What do you got on the 2 hour for you?
Uh, my 2 hours just shows it going sideways for a minute.
Okay. Yeah, right. Mm-hmm.
So
What's this?
you see that wick down there with your white line.
Yeah, here.
Okay, you see that gold block? No, no, no. Down with the white line that you drew.
Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah,
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 that gold block right there.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, in theory, this price is going to have to beat that gold block, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when this starts moving, it's going to push, pull back, push, pull back,
Pull back. Yeah.
push, 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 push to beat that gold block.
Mm-hmm.
So regardless of what it's doing right now, if we're truly going in this direction downward, with these two blocks sitting here, we're probably going to get some sort of a pullback. Some sort of a pullback. What I'm
Yeah.
looking for is this white candle it just created on your 2 hour time frame to give me a pullback with just a wick into that trend line.
Mm-hmm.
If it gives me the wick, I'll get into the trade for the short.
It's saying potentially it might come back up and take this out. See that wick up here?
Yes, that's on the daily, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean that? Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
The thing on the daily, yeah. So there's potential to come back and take out this liquidity here before it drops back down, but not break the high.
Sure. Of course it does. One of them or both of those are wrong. So what does the weekly say?
Hang on a minute, we'll find out. The weekly says it's buying up.
It's gonna buy.
Yeah,
Okay, so now go back to the daily.
yeah,
This says it wants to do a pullback before it takes off. And the lower time frame says it's gonna want to do a pullback before it takes off. So
yeah.
all
Okay.
I'm saying is if we're gonna go in this direction for a minute on the lower time frames before it shoots off up,
Yeah, yeah.
where's
You'll
it
do
going to pull back to?
back two. Yeah, down there. Okay,
So
which is on a 2 hour. It's not that far.
right. So if you could just shrink down your 2 hour and see where you're at.
Actually, this is not correct anyway. Ah, shrink it down. Yeah, yeah. No worries. Is that enough?
Yeah, that's fine. So you've now made a higher high.
Yeah.
You're now in your third attempt push up. You see the
Now it's setting up to make a lower low. Yeah. Okay.
right. So you see where it says 618 with those two gold blocks there?
Yeah.
Okay. So what it's going to have to do is come down and tap those gold blocks. That's what it's telling you.
Hmm.
Then you're going to get a wick up,
Yeah,
tap
but
up here, wick down, not create a gold block
oh,
in
right.
there
Okay.
in
Yeah, yeah,
here,
yeah, 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 yeah.
and knuckle
And
down.
then break that. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm looking for.
Mm-hmm.
So if I get a wick here as a pullback to hit that trend line, my entry will be below the wick candle,
Mm-hmm.
and my stop will be at the top of the wick for the candle. And then as soon as it triggers me in, I'll move it to the stop at the above 50 line.
Yeah. Okay.
So just play in the direction it's going now. If it decides to turn, it's going to give you a brick to turn anyways.
Yeah. Yeah, so you're suggesting it'll come down, pull back up, then come back down, break here, come down here, take that out potentially, then turn around and come back up. Okay.
Or this may just
Mhm.
this push down now it's creating may come down and touch your white line,
Yeah,
pull
okay.
back up to the 50% line, and then
Yeah.
push down. All I'm
Mm.
saying is I'm looking at it to come back down here to that one gold brick it's pointing at that doesn't
Yeah.
have a wick.
Yeah,
How it
okay.
gets there, I don't care. So I don't use this for this is what's going to happen. I'm looking forward to see what it says it's coming back to.
Mm.
And if it's going to come back to this, then I'm looking at that 50% move, whatever it is, to make it push down.
Yeah, okay. But still selling.
Still
So that's
selling.
the overall direction. Yeah, okay.
Right.
Well, yeah. Let's get the next one. Euro JPY. Mm. A lot of
See,
dancing
again,
around
it just
going
shows
there.
consolidation.
Yeah,
So I
absolutely.
don't even entertain these
Yeah,
trades.
yeah. Euro NZD. Oh, now that came off. Right.
Right. Now you're back in your box from the high
Yeah.
to the low.
Yeah. And came out up above, took out over on the daily, you see it come up, took the left there, that short, and now it's ready to go back down again.
Right. So fix your
Let, let's
trade.
get let's get into the cells.
So fix your
Ah,
trade accordingly.
the box, you mean?
All of it. That box should be at the top.
Yeah, no.
Now you want it back down at the bottom.
Came up with the 88. Oh, you want this down here, do you?
Yeah, that should be at the bottom. So should your box.
Oh, do you think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Because you're not interested in that trade till you can tell it's
Oh, because
going.
not this. Same sort of thing we've got this here. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, exactly. So now you need a pullback to that white trend line for a push down
Yeah, okay.
before it leaves the box.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. It only has to touch it and then come off, doesn't it? All right. Your NZD. Right, Euro Singapore, you don't trade. Don't worry about it. Now, Euro USD. Yeah.
I'm still in this.
Euro USD.
Yep, for the buy.
All right. Even with the pullback.
Hmm.
Got back at the 88 though. You reckon it's going to break out?
Yeah, it's on the daily. It's gonna push up to the 88.
Oh, yeah, it hasn't yet. That's right.
Unless this is the point that it absolutely dumps and I'm just in the wrong direction, which is fine. Yeah, everything I have, what's your weekly say?
Oh yeah,
Look at that. See, I could be completely wrong. This could be that high,
yeah,
but everything on mine says it's going higher to a higher 88. Because if that tapped that 88 right there,
yeah. It already has tapped it, but
yeah.
yeah,
So again, this may be turning around here, which if it's going to, it's going to push, pull, fail to break this, and push down.
down, yeah. Yeah, failed to break the high here. Yeah. See, it's come up and created a red wick there, which is lower than here,
Mm-hmm.
and now dropping back down.
So my stop loss is at the bottom of that gold brick.
Are you in the buy though?
I'm in the buy.
This gold brick or the one
Yeah, the
further?
one above it.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. So yeah, this forecast here could be, well, could be true as well.
Exactly.
All right.
Exactly.
Yeah, but then again, Darren wants it to sell. You know what
He may get
Darren
his
wants
wish.
is he may get the he might get a wish. His wish. Hmm.
You think I might get wished on this one, do you?
Oh, we don't
Right.
know. We're just we're just looking and
It's still edging up slowly, isn't it? It's sort of up and
yeah,
down
it's just
in a
creeping
slightly up
away.
trajectory.
Right. And it didn't take either one of those top red wicks yet.
No, it
That's the
hasn't.
part that bothers me. And I'm like, wait a second, because is it really going to leave all that liquidity sitting there before it makes a big push down?
It
Really?
could,
I mean, it could, sure.
but it'll come back and get it at some point. It just we don't know when. It could do it in the shorter term, or it could be a longer term. I'm sure there's liquidity sitting around in other spots that hasn't taken as well.
Right.
I mean, it would survive if it pushed up to there, but it obviously could deeper into drawdown there.
Oh, you're back in because you said it had come back to 5% or something or 3%
Oh
or
yeah,
whatever.
at the moment it's down to about 3%, I think, at one point
Yeah,
today.
yeah. You were saying, yeah.
See what it is now.
Mm.
Oh,
Well,
it's pushed down again, hasn't it?
yeah.
So it's
There's a
now
fair there's a fair bit of news coming in here too. So,
it's now about 4.5%
oh, okay.
drawdown, but which
Mm.
is historically is not a lot by any
No,
means.
no, not for that
But
pit.
that can change quickly with with this sort of aggressive martingale.
Yeah, and with the news is all coming out and the
Yeah.
market doing its little pitch pretty quick. All right, well, we'll see how it travels. I'm not really ready to commit. You're still in that buy, Tom.
Hmm.
See, it's got it. Well, if it does, it has to. You feel that it's going to come back up, take here and here potentially, or maybe just there, pull back and then go and take that, and then start coming back, like the daily saying.
I
All
just
right.
don't think it's going to break this gold bar at the bottom. And if it doesn't, then it's going to
Mm,
push up higher
yeah, yeah.
to take out the left possibly and create a new high. Because all it's got to do is push up, make a brick and wick
It's
past
not that
this.
far, is it?
No, but I mean it's let's see, it's where I'm at now is almost 400 pips to the point. So that would be roughly 5.5%.
Hmm.
I mean, to close out these positions that I'm in, it only needs to pull back to 16073. This isn't
Oh,
very far.
really? 1.16.
073, 1.16073.
Wow, it's not that far.
No.
That's only the 50%. Right. Yeah, it's just down here. Yeah. Oh,
It's the thing with the martingale. So if it pushes up further, it could then some point it'll open up
another one.
another position. It's a bigger lot size again.
Pull it into more,
And
into
it
more
pulls
drawdown.
pull the TP a lot higher then.
Mm, mm.
That's where the risk is, but also that's how they recover.
And what have you done with your sharpshooter? Oh, that is sharpshooter on your personal account, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because the iPhone's got knocked out. Okay.
Yeah. So at some point I need to, or at some point I'll be getting another iPhone's account.
Did you look at Market Maker?
Yeah, I've looked at it. There's so many out there. You just which to choose next. But I mean, any of the other ones I'm running apart from
Dark Titan.
Dark Titan, had I used them on the iPhone's accounts,
You would have been okay.
they'd all still be okay, ironically.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Weird, isn't it? All right, okay. Well, I'm not ready to call that one at the moment. You are, Tom, but that's okay. I'll be waiting for a more definite on that, but that's me. All right, GA.
I live on the
Oh,
edge, man.
oh, rubbish. You do not. Bloody hell. Parts of your life you do, but not trading. All right. Well, I'm waiting for this to get into the buy. So at the moment, it's still just pushing its way down. What's some of this news coming up? What do we got? Not that it matters a lot. TP unemployment. Okay. So they're going to have to lower interest rates and that. Anyway, yeah, that's a pretty hefty push down the last 24 hours. That's all right. We'll just see when it gets itself ready to push back up. Get into that buy. Rightio, GCAD. That'll be the same. Oh no. Oh, that's right. Sorry. Opposite, because so it's going to get ready to do a pullback before it pushes up as well. Oh. Mm. Maybe 88. Oh, sorry. That's all right. Will it push back out? Anyway, that's a waiting game, that one too. GBP CHF. So it's going to do a pullback up before it drops off. I'll probably get into the buy on that. Oh, maybe. Probably worth it. Okay. GJ. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, GBP NZD. This one I don't like. Anyway, GN. I think we'll just wait for it to pull back before we get into the sell on it. Oh yeah, and what? Hang on, what's it doing on the weekly then? Oh, weekly saying it's going to buy. The daily though is saying it's going to sell. All right, discrepancy means go nowhere. GBP Singapore, same. GU is the other one we want to look at. All right, now. Come up 619, come up 619. It hasn't taken that out though. No wick there, it's pushing back down. The daily saying it's going to buy. What's the weekly? Sell out a bit more to buy. All right, okay. You look at it bounce, bounce, bounce there. You looking at anything there, Tom?
I already have myself set up. I'm just waiting to get triggered in.
Right.
I may take it off now and wait till after the market calms down, but I'm just waiting to get in for the short. Because it's going to come ripping through these three highs.
Mm,
We know
yeah,
this.
yeah.
So what that green line showing you is look at all the way back down at that gold bar. It's going to come back and sweep all that liquidity.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And then it's going to take off because that damn well going to come up and take those three highs.
Mm-hmm. At least come back up to the 88 probably. Yeah, see this here that's got the only bit liquidity back down the bottom here. That's why it's sort of saying it want to come down and okay. All right, we'll sell in or I'm
So
just a
you see the
bit.
two gold bars in the middle?
Yeah, these two.
Yeah, it's got to stay under that to continue down.
Yeah, okay.
So my entry is at the top. I'm sorry, at the bottom of those
Bottom.
gold bars.
Yeah, yeah.
And my stop is at the bottom of those three gold bars across the top.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
And then when it triggers me in, I'll just simply move
I'll
my
put a
stop up.
so you're saying it's roughly there, there, and potentially down there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no worries. All right, NZD, we'll just leave that there for posterity at the moment. NZD CAD. That's still pushing up. Look, it's breaking that. That's all changed now. I should move that.
I'm still in this. I'm up almost 3.5%.
Yeah, good on you. Well done. It's made 619. We'll just see what happens. Price is taken out, but there's nothing there.
I have it going up to the 88.
Yeah.
That's what mine shows.
Jeez.
And I just got a wick. Oh, did you? Oh, yeah, you got a wick too, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, wick there. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, NZDCHF. That's also. Oh, no. Wait and see what that does. Oh, can't see it pushing up that high. Anyway, NJ, you're on that at the moment. I think you said you're. Did you say, Tom, you're in that buy?
No, I am not in this. It didn't trigger me in.
Okay. Okay.
I, which is funny because I have uh, my entry was at that blue brick. Do you see the blue brick where the wick comes down and touches it?
This one.
The one below it. Yeah, that blue brick. At the top of that blue brick was my entry, and
So
it
what
just
happened?
missed.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You can see it comes down. Okay, you had
So it
a limit
just
order.
missed.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. And you? It also is taken off too. Well, I think it's right. We're now gonna sell. It looks like it's gonna come back, take out this potentially, and then push back down. Well, there's a fair bit of news coming in. It's going to be a bit rocky at the end of this week, I think, for
Yeah.
next.
Yeah. Uh, no, never mind. Go ahead.
Okay. You don't trade this Singapore Japanese yen. It's just consolidated, but it's going to break out at some point. UCAD. Now, this is one you've been looking at this one.
Hmm.
So the 2 hours got it all over the shop here, right? But the daily's saying we're going to buy back up again.
Hmm.
This has been a steady EA so far. On the one on UCAD, I'd have no drawdown issues with it at all.
Which one are you?
That's
Which?
FX Eternals, it's called, isn't it?
Okay. Oh, yes, yes.
I mean, it's not as I don't know, as racing away profit wise as some of the, as
But it's quite safe in its
yeah.
process.
Well, it's up 6% now, 11th of June, and as I say, I don't remember any drawdown of any significance. So again, so far that could easily have run on
But
an
run
iPhone.
on an iPhone, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, you're getting experience as you go along,
yeah.
so it's okay. Hmm. That's Eternals, is it? Yeah.
FX Eternals, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hmm. Right, could do a pullback before it does. Anyway. Okay, USD CHF. I think that was pretty, yeah, no,
Oh, that's nice.
you're in this, you're gonna get into the sell?
No, I'm in the buy.
Oh, okay. I'll be waiting for that sellout. Okay, UJ. Okay, and depends what happens when the news comes. USD Singapore again. Wow. All right, that one's ready for the sell. Okay. And gold's up at 3.6. It just doesn't want to. Oh, we've got a gold indicator now. It doesn't mean that'll stay there though. It looks like it's going a bit sideways at the minute. But gee, that's a good push up. Have you got that other gold? Oh, I know you were setting it up on the weekend, weren't you, Darren? That's right. Yeah.
Yeah,
And,
weekend, yeah.
and silver. Is that Happy Gold still stuck or?
No, it's back opening position today, but I don't think anything's triggered today. Let's have a look.
Now you're using the right code to get it
Yeah.
to work.
Yeah.
And silver's just plugging along there too. Bitcoin's jumped up a little bit. So there's some movement. And oil. Oh, that's come back up a little bit too. 63.7. Okay. Maybe after Doha got a bit they try to take out some of the Hamas leaders. They can't see how it's going to do too much. Fair bit of news on that yesterday. Tell you what, Israel doesn't, they're going in wherever, are they? All right, oil. Okay. Well, and a few there to, I can't believe this push on the AUD CAD. They're just incredible. Big push. You would have thought, push up here, break this high, pull back down again, but no, just kept going. Anyway, all right, Eternals on UCAD. Sounds like you're nearly dipping into every one that they've got.
A lot more. There's a lot more yet.
Oh, yeah. Well, some like 6% on that over a few months. That's not too bad. I mean,
Yeah,
and quite
3 months.
conservative. No real drawdown on it.
Yeah.
This is the sort of thing you look at. And as you said, the diversification across is if some have trouble, then the others will be okay
Yeah.
or will profit for you.
I mean, sort of 2% a month. I mean, that's what Eternals has done,
Yeah.
compound over a
No,
year.
no one's going to complain about that.
2% a month, 12, 24, but that's compounded. You're probably looking at 30%, aren't you, in a
Yeah.
12 months?
Yeah. And you imagine if you had that on an iPhone.
Yeah.
You have to get 10% though, but that's like, you probably 6 months to get that. But that's okay. We've only got time, haven't we? I mean, that's our time's in our favour.
Yeah.
Well, it depends. You're a lot younger than me, so the older we get, the less time we have. So
Getting there, though.
yeah, with all those war injuries that you've got, I mean, did you
Hey,
get those? Did you get
yeah.
them out?
This morning, yeah, it was, done quite quick this morning. And
Oh, lovely.
I was triaged, and then I went to the next waiting room, and then I got stitches taken out and on both.
So they just go snip, 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 pull, 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 did they?
Yeah, but what both nurses said, and both nurses that saw was they complimented on the the
The
job
handiwork.
in Turkey. Yeah, said it was they've done a really neat job of the stitches. So there we go, Turkish health service. Yeah.
Yeah. So now you've got like three eyebrows.
Yeah. No, it looks like because they did a good job of it. You know, that bit of a scar should fade hopefully quite quickly. So
Yeah. Well, as Tom said, just lather it on, you reckons?
yeah.
But that was a leg, not an
Oh yeah,
eyebrow.
that
So
was fairly substantial by the sound of
yeah,
things.
yeah.
This is a minor injury.
Hmm. Oh, well, let's see how we go. We've got lots going on here.
Yeah,
Uh, so I'll catch you up tomorrow, Friday, last day of the week. We'll just see what happens. And it'll be your Thursday, so it should be that most of the action is sort of started to cool down by that sort of stage.
yeah.
But we'll see. All right then, till
Okay.
tomorrow. Yep.
All right.
Take
Take
it,
care,
take it
guys.
easy, Tom. See you, Darren. Bye.
Yeah.